Okay, so our strategy is going to be to relate 3 to 9. So we say, initially, we know that 3 squared equals 9. Okay, so now let's express 3/16 as a power of 9. So 3 to the 16 equals 3 to squared to the 8th power times 8, the 8th power. Okay. So, but 3 squared is 9, so it's the same as 9 to the 8th power. So 3 squared is the same as 9 to the 3 to the 16th. 3 to the 16th is the same as 9 to the 8th power. Okay, so now let's see if we can go to 1/9. So 3 to the 16th equals 9 to the 8th, okay, because 9 is 3 squared. That equals 9, so we're going to do 9 to the minus 1 times 9 to the minus 8. That equals 9 to the minus 1 to the minus 8th power. And that, why are we so interested in getting 9 to the minus 1? Well, because 9 to the minus 1 is 1/9. So this is a sophisticated way to get it. So 9 to the minus 1 is 1/9 to the minus 8. And so if you want to prove that that's right, you'll say, well, that's 1 over 3 squared to the minus 8, okay, which equals 1 over 3 squared to the 8th, and you can see you get it that way.